What? What? Hey? What? You know I can't bend down, hey? Now I must kick this to the and actually pick it up with my toe. Come. And pick it up with my toe and put it on the chair. You just lift it up there with my toe. What's it? What's it, babies? And put my drainage bag there. And just pull it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I mustn't bend down. Then, from like a distance, I must throw in his wet food. Oh my goodness.
Shinky, zullen we samen Shinky the babies?
Bessie, this is not yours. It's not yours. You had yours. Come on. You had yours just now. You can't eat silence, and now I must take it off my foot. Oh. Oh shit. Sorry, Salem. Well, he must just eat it from the floor. Bessie, that's your fault now, hey? Oh, sorry, Salem. Now the cat must. Luckily, the floor's clean. Oh my goodness. Poor cat. Now you see what I must deal with. Oh my goodness. I hate being sick.